Hey guys, good morning. Let me turn this copyright down. It's copyright. Ugh. Got that Sunday morning. Oh my god, why y'all not seeing me good? Hold on. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new, make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that bell notification so that you don't miss an upload. I'm trying to get some good lighting for y'all. I look crazy. I just got out the shower. It's Sunday. And me and my sister-in-law is cooking. My mother-in-law's coming over. And everybody's coming over. We have a family day. So we're cooking because I don't really know how to cook too many Nigerian dishes. So she gonna help me. Shout out to her. So I'm actually just got out the shower. About to go walk and go get some coffee right quick. And then walking to go get coffee right quick. And then me and her have to go to the store to get 2 more things. So yeah, I'll take y'all along with me today. So y'all, we finally figured out where we going. So we're going to Morrison's. What is this, like a Walmart or a Publix? Yeah. What would you consider this? A Walmart? It's more like a Walmart. Walmart. It's red? Yeah. Yeah, it's more like a Walmart. Okay, so we're going to get the last little few things that we need. Kimmy is helping me cook today. She's assisting me in some Nigerian dishes. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I finally caught the sun up today. I feel good about that because I just been feeling so with no sun. So I'm gonna get my coffee and I should be good. Okay, now it's getting dark here. So yeah.
Oh, Jim's over here as well.
Where? So we got some shots of espresso from Morrison. Kimmy is on her vlogging. She's on her vlogging vibes. So let's see. Okay. So y'all, we were able to grocery shop and we got some wine, some pink Moscato wine. Is there anything open? Go ahead. You can go ahead. So yeah, we're in this place called Morrison. This is our little park. It's so cute. So yeah, we got some king shrimp basically. She's gonna cook fried rice, and so we got the king shrimp, vegetables, and some fruits. I should have got some treats because the baby coming over. My nephew is coming, and what else? Some pink Moscato. So you can go ahead. Yeah. And we got some pink Moscato. Cause yeah, wine. So yeah. So she just went to get some gum, and yeah, just waiting on her to come back. Oh, there she go right there. I'm thinking, should we get a snack for Hezekiah?
Yeah, maybe we can get him some like What's It or Capri Sun.
Yeah.
Should we get it?
Yeah. I just thought about it now when I was vlogging. I said the baby is coming over. I'm like, oh, we should get him a snack.
Yeah, that's good.
Because my nephew loves snacks. But Hezekiah is my nephew too, but he's smaller than my nephew.
How old is your nephew? 3.
He's a terrible 3. Yes. Everything is, oh girl, he is a mess. Ooh. Okay, I got Christmas cards, y'all. So we are on the snack aisle. Chocolates. Can we not get these people? Okay. Oh, my nephew loves these.
Like this and that?
No, this is like cheese puffs, basically.
Yeah, cheese puffs.
Oh, my nephew loves these.
Of these, sorry.
You can go ahead. Oh, there's paying attention. Oh my god, so they got, it's called What's It? Oh, I'm sorry y'all. It's called What's It? And basically, they're like, they're basically like American cheese puffs. So let me show y'all what they are. This is it. It's called What's It? Is it a whole bag or is it individual you can pull out?
I think you can pull it out. But I got this one because it's smaller, and I know Tabitha gave him this one, so either one that he likes.
He's gonna like him. So yeah, he's got a little snack. So he's gonna be so happy.
I know, right?
Yeah, I know I love the kids, so we gotta make sure that the babies have their snacks.
So we can get him some like juice as well.
Yeah, some Capri Suns. So yeah, me and Auntie Kimmy is shopping, grocery shopping. Timmy loves that chocolate. He drinks that all the time. He has some. He has a small one at the house.
That's hot chocolate.
Yeah, he loves hot chocolate like a baby. And he drink it with milk. I'm like, this one is so cute. Okay, which one should we get him?
Just cut this on. Or the fruit boost, I don't know.
Does he drink these like with the thing?
I don't know if he thinks this one yet.
Yeah, so get him Capri Suns. Yeah. Look at they little Capri Sun, y'all. They got the same thing as us, but it's different. It's literally Capri Sun. When ours is spelled in, ours is different in America. Like, it's different. So, yeah, we are grocery shopping. I'm so excited. Like, I feel like a real London, whatever, native today. So, yeah, we got a Capri Sun for the kids. We got some fruits. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff to drink at the house. We got juices, soda. So, yeah, we are about to check out and headed back. This was fun. This was a nice little outing. Yeah, okay, look, y'all. This is the chicken. This is called tough chicken.
Tough chicken, yeah.
Tough chicken, y'all.
I don't know why I slap this, but they do anyway.
Yeah, so we're gonna boil it first, y'all. Oh my god. We don't have chicken like this in America. I think we do probably, but I just don't know. So yeah, we're gonna boil this chicken. And we're gonna, I think, make stew with this too. So yeah. Y'all stay tuned. See, we got the chicken boiling, and it was like tough chicken. She took the skin off. She put onions and some seasoning and a little bit of water to let the flavor soak in. So yeah, and then now we are about to make stew. So this is it. You use chopped tomatoes, onions, peppers. We got some more onions over here. Get more onion. So we're gonna use onions.
What's this? Is this cow meat?
So yeah.
Oh, goat meat.
She's gonna show me how to do
that as well.
Yes.
Keep banging that African food.
you need to switch it up.
Yeah. Some food practicing other stuff. You should be working really well. Hopefully you're a fussy eater.
Yeah, just a lot. He just like obviously I realized, he just told me recently, he's like, I don't really eat. I noticed that he didn't really like chicken wings, but I didn't really pay attention.
I didn't really like chicken wings either.
Yeah, he was like, yeah, they didn't really eat it like that. So now I know to get drumsticks, or breast and stuff like that, because he don't really like that.
I'm so fussy about the veins.
About the veins?
Yeah, chicken. That's why I don't eat it properly. Totally, like, literally fusses me the way I eat my chicken.
He's like, you don't know how to eat chicken.
He said I don't know how to eat chicken. And it's kind of true. Do you have any oil?
Yeah, under. Right there, yep. Onions going in here. All the onions. Red peppers and bell peppers and onions. Red peppers, yeah. It's just the spicy ones. So it makes the stew a little spicy. So that's what you need. And how many of these? I'm putting both of these in here?
Yeah.
Okay. And then both of these chopped tomatoes. Let me show y'all. This is so cool, learning how to cook different foods, because obviously I just know what I know. And obviously now as I've gotten older, now I'm cooking like more, what you call it? Also, quick note, when you're cooking, keep you a little bag by you so you can just put everything in the trash as you go and clear your space. So I'm putting, you know, just so you don't have a messy kitchen. Okay, so I use 2 of these. I'm so excited because I'm like a hands-on type of learner. So the fact that Kimmy is showing me this is only going to take me, like, literally, I should know how to make this by myself.
Put it on high so it can fry a bit, and then we're gonna put the blended pepper into it. Let it fry. Too much oil, then you just drain it out a little bit.
Okay.
That's what makes it cook, like fry pepper.
So we got everything in the cooking. That's the goat meat,
Goat meat,
chicken. This is the chicken. Oh, it's looking good. Smells good. This is the goat head. Oh my god. So yeah, meat is getting done, and then we're gonna start on the rice shortly. Y'all, this is the beef. That's chicken. That's goat head. I'm not eating that right there.
goat meat.
I might try it.
Try it.
Alright, girl. I want this with the spoon. I'll try with the spoon. So Kimmy is cooking her infamous fried rice. Chef Kimmy is in the kitchen. I'm doing a look and learn class today, y'all. I just cut up vegetables. That is the stew back there, and the oil is frying. So you put the oil in. You fry the meat first, and then you put it in the oil.
Yeah. So we boil the meat first. Boil it.
Yeah, we pre-boiled it with seasoning.
Yeah, and then you just put it in there for a bit. So fry.
Not too much though.
Not too much.
Okay.
Depends on how you know.
Okay. So we coming back. And also with the fried rice,
yeah,
she put a little bit of pepper in it. Which she gonna take it out, but she put a little bit in it, let it cook in there a little bit, and then take it out.
People like they put fresh food.
So about 3 hours, roughly. So to prepare again, about 3 hours. No, but you know what? First of all, we didn't have enough pots. Maybe if we would have had, okay, so that's the thing. Maybe I'm gonna say 2 to 3 hours. It roughly takes to cook, you know, the meats, and then we're doing 3 different meats and rice. So y'all, wait, let me. Oh my god, my camera is so dark. Okay, yeah. So we doing. There we go. We doing 3 different meats plus the rice. The rice has vegetables in it, so we're not gonna cook a vegetable. But yeah, so about 2 to 3 hours roughly. So I could see down. I'm gonna be having to cook my Sunday dinner early in the morning. I'm gonna be waking up like 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, cook, so the dinner could be ready and already ready. Do you need a drainer?
No.
No? Okay.
I've washed it already.
Okay.
I'm gonna get another plate.